What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and we finna revisit this toy. Alright, last time you saw, I put these beautiful pearl handle grips on them, call them handles. Put these beautiful pearl grips on them, and here, let me go ahead and do that for everybody who want to see that. All right, so we have these beautiful pearl grips on it, and I was looking at it and I was like, you know what, this is a beautiful gun, but there's just one thing missing that's just throwing the gun off. That is this is an ugly base plate, standard base plate that comes with the gun. So I need to change this base plate out. All right, let's sit that off to the side and see this base plate. It's real simple to change out, and I have this base plate to change it out with. So let's go ahead and pop this off and get this thing changed out. So to pop it off, you have to depress the spring. Hold on, let me get this spring depressed. Oh, there we go. Get the spring depressed, then you slide the base plate off, and you take the new base plate, slide it back on. Boom. See how easy that was? Now let's see how much of a difference the new base plate makes on the PT92. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. There we go, base plate on there. Check it out. So you guys tell me. Wait a second, hold on. Okay, this base plate has a little notch on the front. See where it stops at? See if you can see that. See where it stops at? So it has a little overhang on the front. At first I was looking at it like, what in the world is going on? It didn't slide all the way on there, but that's how it's supposed to be. Alright, I'll take that. It still looks a whole lot better. A whole lot better. So there we go. Let's flip it over so you can see it. Yeah, I was looking at that like, wait a minute, that's sticking out a little too far. But that's just how it's made. That is how it is made. This is a base plate for the PT92. So, and of course, base plates help them drop out easier. Not that this had any issue with that anyway, but hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think. Does that finish the look? Is that something that is just absolutely unnecessary? Or, is it something that you just didn't know that it needed? Hit me up, let me know in the comments. Yeah, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Hit that like and subscribe, and Johnny Snow will be out of here.